An ongoing project of mine is trying to clean up my garage and my shop. And you guys have seen my videos. This has not been a high priority of mine, obviously. But it needs to be, because it's getting to a point where I can't work on most of the stuff. It's been to a point for a long time that I can't do a whole lot of work in my shop or in my garage. So I'm trying to straighten that up. And now I've actually been watching a lot of the clean with me tagged videos. So I'm taking a stab at doing that myself with everything that I've got in here. Now, I think it's going to be a little bit higher a skill level to tackle this than most of the things that I've seen with the clean with me tag. Actually, a lot of the videos that I've seen with that tag have made me wonder how much time they spent cleaning before they turned the camera on. It's always a clean house, and they're just putting like 3 things away. This, however, is much, much different. As everybody knows, I have, all of my turbine project stuff. I've actually got, you see right. Nope, that's gonna screw with I can't zoom while filming. I've got my dual stator set up over there. I've got another stator over there. I've got a bunch of my hubs and projects scattered on that bench. The big 3-phase PMA setup's over there. Lots of stuff just laying around on top of my CX500, and just tools. An air compressor hobby, weird hobby, but neat one. What we're going to do today is I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes, and we're going to go after cat tax. I'm going to set the timer for 15 minutes, and we're going to address that workbench. I'm going to see how much of a dent I can make in this area in 15 minutes. Here we go. I'm actually a little disappointed. I was hoping that in 15 minutes I could just completely clear that bench. But that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do everything in here in 15-minute intervals. And we're going to pick small sections and we're going to tackle it 15 minutes at a time. And that's how the shop is going to progress. Maybe I should do 30 minutes. Oh well, until next time. Thanks for watching.